Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Deep Rock Galactic game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to open up the Steam application, and once you are logged into your account, go ahead and click on the search box. Now you can type in Deep Rock Galactic to begin your search, and once you find the game, go ahead and click on it. Now from the game page, you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews, and if you scroll down, you will see the Add to Cart button. Click on this button alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and after completing the transaction, the game will be added to your library. Then from your library, you can choose your install location and complete the installation of the game. After this, you can start enjoying the Deep Rock Galactic game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Deep Rock Galactic on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.